I've seen TikToks where they're just talking, someone's explaining something, then they put their hand up, and then like a box of text or something kind of displays there. What's like they're holding a verse or something. You know what I'm talking about?
Does it move with their hand, or did they just put their hand there?
They kind of put their hand up and it appears.
Oh, well, I mean, that's just adding text. Well, we didn't really talk about duration of text, so I could do that real quick. So, hey, look at me, I just went for a run and my hair looks crazy, and now we're here on TikTok. Great. So I recorded that video. Feeling really good about that. And I now want to put some text on it. I didn't put my hand up, but I'm still going to be able to show you text. And we'll say Sammy is training Michelle on some TikTok. And you do have to like listen to yourself over and over pretty awfully. All right. So I've got some different text things. Now I'm going to set duration. So I clicked on the text and then I hit set duration. You can actually change the duration of all of these text bubbles from this screen. So you see how a different one is highlighted?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm clicking on those. So I might do Sammy is training Michelle, and then I can adjust the time of these. So if I want that to pop up on my hair when I'm zooming into it, I'll put it there. And then I want it to pretty much disappear right around then. This one, I want to pop up at the end of that one. And the minimum you can have a sticker of text on is 1 second. So this is a pretty short video, so these text bubbles are going to be pretty quick. But you can move it around. So what they're doing when they're making it pop up on their hand is they're, adjusting it and setting the duration so that and this is a slider, you can actually view the video to see when your clips are going to pop up. So that when their hand appears, the text appears, and then you check it. And you can always go back in and adjust it. Just hit set duration. Maybe I want that to be up there a little longer. Does that make sense?
Well, isn't that clever?
And then while we're here, Michelle, why don't I click on that middle button that says captions?
Yes.
And TikTok automatically does captions. They're okay, but as you can see, the last word there just says T-Talk. So I'm often editing the captions, even just minimally. Some people go through and like change all the grammar and like capitalize things, and you can do that. I do that sometimes. Lately, I've just been like, as long as the words are there, I'm happy. If you would like to space out it gives you a big chunk of text at a time, you can hit return, and then it will make a new line, just like a Word document. Just went for a run, my hair looks crazy, and now we're here on TikTok. Pretty good. So then I save it.
Well, cool.
Pretty good. You can always adjust. If you can adjust the clips still here, and that would be like cutting them. But once you have added text, effects, what else did we add? Oh, captions. If you go back and adjust the clips at that point, it's going to remove all of that. So you really want to get the clips exactly how you want them, and then you start adding things. At this point, I can save this to my drafts and come back, and I can still edit. I can enhance the footage, which I just clicked. I can change the captions. I can change the text. I can add little pop-up stickers if I want to, and set their duration as well, but I can't adjust the clips unless I want to lose everything. Just an order of operations, really.